Do you need to lubricate the fan after cleaning to ensure smooth, quiet operation? Most modern condenser fans are built with sealed bearings that do not require lubrication, so the first step is to identify the fan type by checking the motor housing for oil ports or the equipment manual for maintenance instructions. If the motor has a removable oil cap or a small threaded port, it uses serviceable bearings, and you should apply a light machine oil sparingly to avoid overfilling and attracting dust. Use a non-detergent, light sewing machine oil or a specific electric motor oil, and apply only a few drops while rotating the blade by hand to distribute the oil evenly. If you see a felt washer around the oil port, lift it and place a drop of oil directly on the bearing, then replace the felt to act as a wick. For motors without oil ports and with a permanently sealed housing, do not attempt to add oil because forcing oil into sealed bearings can damage seals. Wash out lubricant and void warranties. Always disconnect power at the breaker and confirm the unit is off before touching the fan or motor to avoid injury. 3 common mistakes cause most post-cleaning issues. People assume all fans need oil and add lubricant to sealed motors, which can lead to seal failure and premature bearing wear. So verify the presence of an oil port and consult the manual before adding oil. Another frequent error is using the wrong lubricant or too much oil, which attracts dirt and creates a gummy residue. So use a light, non-detergent oil and apply only a few drops while turning the blade to distribute it. A third problem is neglecting electrical safety and working on the unit without disconnecting power. So always shut off the breaker, test that the fan cannot start, and wear gloves and eye protection during inspection. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide practical maintenance guidance like this so that repairs go smoother. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences to help each other find the right approach for the job.